बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू आज़ाद जम्मू कश्मीर टेक्स्ट बुक बोर्ड। दिस इज़ हमना बिनते शहजाद। डियर टीचर्स एंड डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस वीडियो लेसन में हम देखेंगे साइंस फॉर द ग्रेड 6 का यूनिट नंबर 10 एंड द टाइटल ऑफ यूनिट इज मैग्नेटिज्म। हम ये यूनिट पढ़ चुके हुए हैं। आज हम देखते हैं इसकी एक्सरसाइज। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द एक्सरसाइज। डज डिस्टेंस स्ट्रेंथन और वीकन्स अ मैग्नेट ability to attract a piece of iron? Yes. Distance strengthen or weaken a magnet's ability to attract a piece of iron. Electromagnets are often used at scrap yards to separate some metals from other metals. Give one reason why an electromagnet would be used rather than a permanent magnet. Because when we switch on the current, it behaves like magnet, and when we turned off current, it will be ordinary metal. Why does a magnet attract a magnetic material? Magnet attracts magnetic materials because of magnetic field. Can you make an ordinary iron object magnet? What type of magnet it would be? Yes, we can make. It would be a temporary magnet. Give detailed answer. What is a magnetic field? How can you draw it? Magnetic field diagram. A magnet can exert a force on the object present around. The region around the magnet in which it can attract magnetic material is called its magnetic field. The magnetic field lines, by using a magnetic compass, the arrow shows the direction of the magnetic field lines. The magnetic field lines arise from the north pole and go to the south pole. The magnetic field lines are more in number at the poles. What are some ways you can make a magnet and demagnetize a magnet? Here are few ways of making temporary magnet. Stokes method of making a magnet. Take an iron nail and a bar magnet. Stroke the nail many times with the bar magnet in the same direction. The iron nail will become a temporary magnet. Bring the magnetic nail near some common pins and observe what happens. How to demagnetize a magnet? A magnet loses its magnetism by heating, hammering or dropping. By heating, hammering or dropping, we can make the particles in the magnet get disturbed. They lost the ability to attract iron material. This for a process is called demagnetization. What is an electromagnet? How can you make it stronger? An electromagnet is a magnet that can be switched on and off using electricity. When the current flows, it works like a magnet. When the current stops, it goes back to being an ordinary piece of metal. Constructed response questions. You have a bar magnet without any indication of poles. How will you identify its south and north poles? Use a string to hang bar magnet with the support. Spin the magnet and let it come to the rest. Observe the position of the bar magnet. If we allow the magnet move freely, it always rests with one pole to the north pole and the other pole to the south. This is because of the Earth's magnetism. What caused the Earth's magnetic field? The Earth's magnetic field is mostly caused by the electric current in the liquid outer core. How could it be suitable to use a wooden rod instead of iron rod to make an electromagnet stronger? Because wooden rod is a bad conductor of electricity and electromagnetic have the ability to become magnet when current is supplied. Extend your thinking. Why does the magnetic compass point to the geographic north pole of the Earth? Earth's south magnetic pole is near to Earth's geographic north. Earth's magnetic north pole is near Earth's geographic south. That's why the north pole of the compass point towards the north, because that's where Earth's south magnetic pole is located and they attract. What is MRI? MRI stands for magnetic resonance imaging. Is a type of scan that use strong magnetic field and radio waves to produce detailed image of inside of the body. Why do maglev train move very fast? Maglev trains are designed to glide through the air. The front is curved so the air slide over the train as it moves. This helps the train to move faster and reduce friction with the air. Dear students, ये था हमारा आज का वीडियो लेसन। आई होप आपको आज का वीडियो लेसन पसंद आया होगा। एक नए वीडियो लेसन के साथ हम फिर मिलेंगे। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज।